Hey guys, we got a 2016 Chevy Camaro. This thing is a beauty. Basically, he got new rims and stuff, so he doesn't want anybody to steal them. There's been reports around here, people are stealing rims like everywhere in the United States. So he wanted to protect himself. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because this car already comes with the factory alarm. If you open the door, it fires off. He just wanted extra more protection. What happened to these vehicles, they don't come with any type of shock sensor, so you can literally take a baseball bat, destroy the whole car, leave it on full brakes, even take the hood, do whatever you need to do. As long as you don't open the door and the interior light comes on, the alarm will not fire off. That's from factory. By me adding the shock sensor add-on, changes the whole ball game. It makes the car like equipped like if you would have done an aftermarket alarm with shock sensor. The only reason why we would do an aftermarket alarm if the car didn't come equipped with any alarm system whatsoever, and then we don't have a choice. But if you already have a factory alarm, there's no need to install an alarm on top of another alarm. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the first tire. That will fire off the alarm. Turn it off here. I'm going to rearm it. Okay. And we'll try this side. Protects the whole car from bumper to bumper. It'll protect your glass, the whole thing. When you arm it, we always like to give it at least 20 seconds before we go ahead and bang on the vehicle. Factory alarms have a little delay. Should be good enough here. I don't know if I waited long enough, but I'll go ahead and give it a shot. Yep. And I'll do the back tire, and then I'll do the glass, and then we should be done. If you're out of state, give us a call. We can guide you in the right direction how to get this kit installed in your vehicle. And if you're in the Miami area, or Fort Lauderdale, or Homestead, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. I'm going to go ahead and do this back tire now. And I'll do the glass, and then we should be done here. This is on a 2016 Camaro. It looks a lot newer than what it is. I think he might have added those flares on the side and in the front too. He's done a little work here, a little razzle-dazzle here and there. Go ahead and bang in this glass here, and it should fire off. This concludes this installation. We thank you for watching this video. Our numbers again are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And thank you for watching this video.